In the silence of the cosmos, numbers whisper secrets. They hold the key to understanding the universe and our place within it. Now let's delve into the enigmatic world of numerology. You see, numbers are not merely figures we use for counting or measuring. They are far more than that. They are symbols, infused with profound meanings that echo through the ages. Each digit, each combination of numbers, carries a story, a message, a secret waiting to be unlocked. From the dawn of civilization, numbers have been our silent partners. They've guided our steps as we explored the mysteries of existence, offering us a language to interpret the world around us. They've helped us decode the cosmos, understand the rhythms of nature, and even unravel the complexities of our own psyche. In the intricate tapestry of existence, numbers are the threads that weave together the physical and the metaphysical, the tangible and the intangible. They create a bridge between the seen and the unseen, the known and the unknown. Numerology, the study of these mystical figures, has been a part of human insight since time immemorial. The ancients revered numbers, recognizing their power and significance. They saw numbers not just as mathematical units, but as keys to unlock the deeper truths about life, the universe, and everything in between. In every corner of the world, from the pyramids of Egypt to the temples of India, from the philosophies of Greece to the scriptures of the Abrahamic faiths, numbers have played an integral role. They've been used to express the ineffable, to map out the cosmos, to understand the cycles of life and death, and to explore the realms of spirituality and consciousness. But what makes numbers so special? What secrets do they hold? And how can we decipher their meanings to gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it? These are the questions that numerology seeks to answer. It's a journey that takes us beyond the surface, into the heart of the cosmos, into the very essence of existence. Join us as we unravel the enigma of numbers, a journey into the heart of numerology. Our story begins in the ancient civilizations, where the mystical power of numbers was first recognized. The dawn of civilization saw the birth of many things, among them the concept of numerology. Ancient societies like Egypt and Babylon, steeped in mystery and intrigue, were the cradle of this numerical wisdom. These early cultures saw numbers not just as mere tools for counting, but as symbols with divine significance, cosmic codes woven into the fabric of the universe. In the heart of Egypt, numbers transcended the mundane, becoming sacred symbols with profound meanings. The Egyptians revered the number 3, associating it with the trinity of life, birth, life, and death. They saw the number 7 as a symbol of perfection and completeness, reflecting their 7 mighty inner powers and the 7 heavenly bodies that graced their night sky. Meanwhile, in the ancient city of Babylon, the cradle of mathematics, numbers were seen as the ultimate truth. The Babylonians developed a complex system of mathematics based on the number 60, a system that still echoes in our 60-minute hours and 360-degree circles. As we journey towards Greece, we encountered the great philosophers and mathematicians like Pythagoras and Plato. Pythagoras, often hailed as the father of numerology, believed that the world was built upon the power of numbers. He saw numbers as the essence of all life, the underlying principles that govern the universe. To him, numbers were more than just quantities. They were living, vibrating entities. Plato, too, shared this reverence for numbers. He saw them as the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe, the language through which the cosmos speaks. He believed that numbers held the answers to the fundamental questions of existence. The ancient world, with its rich tapestry of cultures and philosophies, recognized the profound power of numbers. They saw numbers as divine symbols, cosmic keys that unlock the mysteries of the universe. They treated numbers with reverence, studying them, decoding them, finding in them a sacred geometry that resonates with the very heart of existence. Thus, the ancient world laid the foundation for numerology, imbuing numbers with a sacred and mystical essence. Numbers, in their silent language, whisper truths about our world, our lives, and our destinies. In the realm of numerology, numbers are more than mere quantities. They're symbols, imbued with profound significance, guiding us through the labyrinth of existence. They hold a mirror to our character, reflecting our strengths, weaknesses, and potential. Each number vibrates with its own energy, forming an intricate web of meaning that weaves together the fabric of our lives. Imagine the numbers in your birth date. They aren't just arbitrary markers of time, but a cosmic script that outlines your unique story. They can reveal your life's purpose, your destiny, and the challenges that may come your way. It's as if the universe has left a breadcrumb trail of numbers for us to follow, leading us towards self-discovery and growth. Numerology also provides a compass to navigate the cyclical nature of life. Just as the seasons change in a predictable pattern, our lives too follow cycles, mirrored in the rhythmic dance of numbers. Understanding these cycles can empower us to harness the ebbs and flows of energy in our lives, to know when to act and when to retreat, when to sow and when to reap. Moreover, numerology is a tool for divination, a bridge between the known and the unknown. It can forecast trends and probabilities, offering foresight in a world where certainty is elusive. It's not about predicting a set future, but about illuminating potential paths that lie ahead. But the significance of numerology extends beyond the personal. It echoes in the macrocosm of the universe, reflecting the grand cosmic plan. The patterns of numbers are mirrored in the spirals of galaxies, the rhythms of nature, the proportions of sacred architecture. They resonate with the underlying order of existence, the harmony that pervades the cosmos. Numbers then are not just figures, they are keys that unlock the mysteries of existence. In the crucible of numerology, numbers transform into symbols, each with its unique vibration and energy. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating realm of alchemical numerology. This ancient practice draws a parallel between the transformation of base metals into gold and the transformation of our understanding through the mystical language of numbers. Each number, 1 through 9, carries a distinct vibration, an energy that influences the cosmos and our lives in profound ways. 1, the number of beginnings, resonates with the vibration of creation, individuality, and independence. It embodies the primal force from which all other numbers spring forth. 2, on the other hand, vibrates with partnership, harmony, and balance. It's the dance of duality, the yin and yang, the sun and moon. 3, the triad, symbolizes the synthesis of 1 and 2. It's a number of growth, abundance, and expression. It's the trinity, the past, present, and future, the soul, mind, and body. The energy of 3 encourages expansion and dynamism. 4 is the number of stability, order, and structure. It resonates with the vibration of the Earth's elements: fire, water, air, and earth. It's the 4 corners of the world, the 4 seasons, the 4 cardinal points. 5, the midpoint, symbolizes change, freedom, and adventure. It vibrates with the energy of the human spirit, our 5 senses, and the quest for knowledge and experience. 6, often associated with harmony, family, and love, vibrates with the energy of balance and responsibility. It's the number of Venus, the goddess of love, and the 6 days of creation. 7, the number of the mystic, resonates with spiritual awakening, introspection, and the pursuit of wisdom. It's the 7 colors of the rainbow, the 7 chakras, the 7 wonders of the world. 8, the number of infinity and abundance, vibrates with the energy of power, wealth, and achievement. It's the balance between the material and the spiritual, the cycle of life and death, the ebb and flow of the universe. And finally, 9, the number of completion, resonates with the vibration of universal love, spiritual enlightenment, and the culmination of a cycle. It's the final note in the symphony of numbers, the apex of the numerical hierarchy. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, each number weaves its own unique pattern, radiating its energy into the universe. In the mystical realm of numerology, alchemy and numbers intertwine in a dance of transformation. Alchemical numerology, a unique branch of this ancient knowledge, combines the principles of both alchemy and numerology, leading us on a journey of self-discovery and profound understanding. Just as alchemists sought to transmute base metals into gold, alchemical numerology aims to transform our base understanding into enlightened wisdom through the power of numbers. Each number, each vibration, is a catalyst for this transformation, a key that unlocks the hidden depths of our consciousness. In this process, the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and the mundane becomes magical. We begin to see the world not as a mere collection of random events, but as a symphony of numbers, each playing its unique part in the grand cosmic orchestra. From the simplicity of 1 to the complexity of 9, each number takes us on a journey, a transformation from ignorance to enlightenment, from darkness to light. Just as a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly, our understanding evolves and expands, revealing the golden truth of our existence. In the crucible of alchemical numerology, we discover that we are not mere spectators in the universe, but active participants in its creation and evolution. We are the alchemists, and numbers are our tools. Through the language of numbers, we uncover the secrets of the cosmos, the mysteries of life, and the magic of our own existence. We will see how this ancient wisdom continues to influence our modern world, but for now let's revel in the magic of alchemical numerology, where numbers transform into gold and understanding blossoms into wisdom. As we delve deeper into the mystical realm of numbers, we encounter a fascinating concept: the sacred geometry of numbers. Sacred geometry, often referred to as the architecture of the universe, is the study of divine patterns and proportions that exist in the natural world and beyond. These patterns, seen in the spiral of a galaxy, the structure of a honeycomb, or the petals of a flower, reflect a cosmic order, a divine blueprint that underpins our universe. And at the heart of this divine blueprint lie numbers. Numbers, in the context of sacred geometry, are not mere quantities. They are symbolic representations of these divine patterns. They are the language of the cosmos, expressing the fundamental principles that govern the universe. From the unity represented by the number 1, to the balance symbolized by 2, to the dynamic creativity embodied by 3, each number carries a profound geometric significance. The connection between numerology and sacred geometry is a testament to the intertwined nature of the universe. Just as numerology deciphers the vibrational essence of numbers, sacred geometry unveils their geometric beauty, revealing a deeper layer of cosmic truth. Together, they offer a holistic understanding of the universe, unraveling the intricate tapestry of creation. From the golden ratio, a mathematical ratio seen in nature that is aesthetically pleasing to the human eye, to the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the 2 preceding ones. The sacred geometry of numbers paints a picture of a universe in perfect harmony. A universe where every particle, every atom, every star is part of a grand cosmic symphony, orchestrated by the divine geometry of numbers. As we journey through the sacred geometry of numbers, we start to see the universe not as a chaotic assembly of disparate elements, but as a beautifully ordered masterpiece. We begin to understand that we are not separate from the universe, but intrinsically connected to it, part of the divine geometric design. And through this understanding, we glimpse the divine order and harmony of the cosmos. As we move forward, we will see how this ancient wisdom continues to empower and enlighten our modern world. Even in our modern world, the ancient wisdom of numerology continues to guide and enlighten. This age-old knowledge doesn't just belong to the dusty shelves of forgotten libraries. It thrives in the fast-paced, technology-driven era we inhabit today. We may no longer be constructing pyramids or deciphering celestial patterns, but the essence of numerology remains as potent as ever, influencing our lives in profound ways. In the realm of personal growth, numerology acts as a mirror, reflecting our innermost strengths, weaknesses, desires, and fears. It serves as a compass, helping us navigate the tumultuous seas of self-discovery and steering us towards our true potential. It's not about predetermining our fate, but about enabling us to carve our own path with a deeper understanding of who we are. When it comes to relationships, numerology sheds light on the invisible ties that bind us to others. It helps us understand the intricate dynamics of our connections, enabling us to foster harmonious relationships and tackle conflicts with wisdom and grace. By revealing the numerological patterns that govern our interactions, it equips us with the tools to build stronger, more fulfilling bonds. In the sphere of decision-making, numerology serves as a guiding star. It helps us discern the subtle numerical vibrations that influence our choices, guiding us towards decisions that resonate with our soul's purpose. Whether it's choosing a career, buying a house, or even naming a newborn, numerology helps us align our choices with the cosmic rhythm of the universe. And finally, in the quest for our life's purpose, numerology acts as a key, unlocking the secrets of our destiny. It helps us decipher the numerical codes embedded in our birth dates and names, revealing the unique mission we were born to fulfill. It's not about predicting the future, but about unveiling the grand design of our lives. As we stand on the brink of the unknown, numbers offer a beacon of light, illuminating the path ahead. Numerology isn't about superstition or fortune-telling. It's about understanding the subtle language of the universe and embracing the mystical power of numbers to navigate our journey through life. In the realm of numerology, numbers speak a language that transcends time and space. They whisper ancient secrets and sacred geometry, echoing the alchemical and hermetical wisdom of old. Far from mere mathematical units, numbers are symbols, imbued with profound spiritual and mystical significance. They connect us to the cosmos, to the rhythm of life, guiding us in our journey. Remember, numbers are not just figures. They are the mystical language of the universe. In the silence of the cosmos, in the rhythm of life, listen closely and you shall hear the whispers and echoes of numbers.